we were recently working with the client who was struggling. How much do they pay off in their personal debt? Do they invest in their business? And once we got to work with them, they wanted us to handle the full picture so that we could provide full service and have full visibility. And we went through our process. Within 3 months, the client had a full year picture of cash and they were doing very well in their business. They were stuck. They didn't know what to do next. They got burnt in the past with taxes and they didn't prepare and plan. So they were surprised. We were able to project basically what their bookkeeping would look like and their business would look like, their taxes would look like. We did some tax planning activity and they were able to pay off their house. So they owed, I think, like 250, $260,000 on their mortgage. And they were like, we can invest in the business or we can take this huge emotional thing. And while a lot of folks might disagree with their approach, it was a huge emotional one for them to say, we own our house outright. And so that was a great example of like how we can help folks and help them make decisions. And they held back for taxes and they had 3 months of business expenses to cover in case something happened. Right. And they were able to do that. And it's such a cool story. It's heartwarming to us that we could help our clients in that way. But better yet, now they have even more cash for the next year. And so they decided, the next year they're going all in on the business, right? Because they have their personal things handled. Super cool.